Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Thursday, November 5th, and Friday, November 6th. Students are reminded from this week that we are in the Quarter 2, Week 1 folder. If students have not completed the discussion post and or the reading guide from Monday's folder, they are reminded that those should be completed prior to anything that gets done in this activity. So the students that I will see in person on Thursday, I will remind of that, as well as the people that I will see on Google Meet. So the discussion post and the reading guide should be done before anything else discussed in this video. As we move forward to finishing up this lesson set, Rise of Civilizations, Thursday's activity is pretty simple. Students will watch the video, The Growth of Cities. They will click on that. It will ask them to open it up in a new tab. They will click on the blue YouTube link. And the video is about 4 minutes.
When we look at early human history, we talk about civilizations. What exactly do we mean by that?
So really this reading will be, this video will be a recap of the reading and the reading guide from this week. So it's a nice little summary about the first civilizations of the world located in Southwestern Asia. It will also discuss the 8 characteristics of a civilization, which is what Thursday's assignment is going to be about. So when students are done watching that video, they will go back into Schoology, go back to Thursday's folder, and they will click on the Check for Understanding for the Rise of Civilizations. So the directions say to use the video, which students will watch, The Growth of Cities, and the infographic below to answer the following discussion question. And there you will see the 8 features or characteristics of a civilization cited by the textbook: cities, government, established religions, job specialization, so forth. Students will select which feature they think is most important and tell me why. So again, that's probably about a 1 to 2 sentence response. Make sure that you're explaining why you chose one of those 8 characteristics or features of civilization, whether it's writing, arts, and architecture. That's your choice. Just explain to me why you think it is the most important to a successful civilization, and you will post that. So that is Thursday's assignment, and then the final thing to finish up the week for Rise of Civilizations is the 5-question quick check. So students will open that up, and it is a 5-question multiple choice quiz. This will go as a product grade. So there are 5 questions. It'll be worth 10 points, and you get 2 attempts at these questions. So that is it for Friday. So students on Thursday and Friday will continue to work through this lesson set. They will watch the video from the textbook. They will complete the discussion post, Check for Understanding, and they will complete the quick check. For those of you that I will see in person on Thursday the 5th, I look forward to seeing you. For those of you that I will see online on Thursday, I look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions between now and the end of the week, please feel free to email me. I'll be happy to answer them. Good luck continuing to work on social studies and finishing up this lesson set. Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.